So how can you use the Notes app on the iPhone as a journal? Let's explain that and let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, consider subscribing because I have plenty of videos coming up, so I just don't want you to miss them. Anyways, you can of course use the Notes app. I'm going to show you exactly, but just keep in mind that there is also a dedicated journal application made by Apple, right? So it should be part of your phone already, and that one works a bit different, but the point is that it's specifically designed for the journal, so it's probably better to use it that way. But if you want to use the notes still, it's completely possible. The way I would recommend you to do it is to open up the main Notes app, go to the folders, and tap on the plus button to start a new folder. Ideally, you should title it your journal like that, and you can see that you can store your notes in here. So you tap on a new note, and in order to organize it a little bit, it would make sense to add the title somehow, like perhaps choose the date to be the title so you can see exactly what's going on. So ideally you would type in the date and like a title for it, and then the rest of the note would be reserved for the content, like you would write down your thoughts or like add pictures, table, or whatever else you want. But that's how I would do this. So the point is to put it all specifically into one folder so it doesn't get mixed in with other stuff. You should also know that you can tap on the three dots and tap on lock, so you can lock your notes in here if it's something personal and perhaps you don't want that to be like accessible by anybody else. So you can lock it with a password. So that's how you would do this through the Notes app. But as I said, don't forget to perhaps explore the dedicated journal application. I personally find it to be very useful, so let me know which option you decided to go with. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate your support, and stay tuned for more tutorials by subscribing, and I'll see you later.